So working out w over 2 plus 3 over 5. Well, with any fractional addition, we of course need to find our common denominator. So if we've got 2 and 5, all we need to do for this is multiply this 2 and 5 together. So 2 times 5 gives us a common denominator of 10. Now if we see we multiplied this first fraction by 5, so we've multiplied that 2 by 5 to get our 10. We multiplied our second fraction by 2. 5 times 2 gives us 10. We have to do the same on the top, so we get our equivalent fraction. So it's w, you multiply it by 5 as well. So 5 times w, remember in algebra we don't use our times sign, so 5 times w just gives us 5w. 3 times 2, so we've got to times this one by 2. 3 times 2 of course gives us 6. So now we've got our common denominator. We take this 5w over 10 add 6 over 10. Leave our denominator as 10. 5w add 6, because in algebra we don't mix our letters and numbers, we need to only add like terms. This 5w add 6 we can't really do much with, so we just leave it as 5w add 6, and that is our answer.